Welcome back to the Q Plus Homes tutorials. Q Plus Homes, as you know, produce more energy than they use. In our last tutorial, we talked about the advantages that Q Plus Homes are pre-manufactured, and we explained and showed the process. Today, I'm going to explain and show to you how this Q Plus home was built at the most southern tip of Africa. As I mentioned in the previous tutorial, the house had to be installed under extreme conditions on the top of a mountain. An estimated minimum of 5 hours with very little wind is required to set the 4 exterior walls and the roof structure to secure the house. After waiting a week for that window of good weather, the work started with the installation of the mud sills. Meanwhile, the segments were loaded and transported the 4 kilometers from the storage shelter to the building site. A single wall segment weighs about 1 ton. It is precisely built to slide exactly over the pre-cut mud sill. Q Plus components are built to perfection to provide for airtightness and energy efficiency. This system also provides for easy installation even under the most difficult circumstances, as you can see here. Once the first wall, in this case the south side, was established and secured, the west and the east wall followed, with the north wall closing the basic structure. During the installation, the wind picked up quite a bit, and it was very critical that the third and fourth walls fit just perfectly and without any difficulties. With the 4 walls connected to each other, the biggest milestone against the weather was met after just 3 hours. Next, the interior walls were installed. The joists are precisely manufactured and slide onto the pre-installed hardware. They provide additional stiffness and create the second floor. The gable elements conclude the wall installation and make room for the second floor. They are the main support for the following roof. The ridge beam, manufactured precisely to the dimensions of the structure, had to be pulled through the prepared opening in the gable elements. This concludes the frame structure. The roof, with its very long overhang on the north side, was manufactured in 8 segments. They were insulated and sealed with a membrane that later will be connected to the airtight envelope. After the second day, the house was complete, airtight, insulated, waterproof, and with fully functional windows and doors. In the following days, many activities happened in parallel. The roof received slate tiles, while the plumbing and electrical installation took place inside the house. Now remember, this house is on the top of a mountain and has to be fully independent of any grid connection. If you are interested to see how Q+ homes perform under these circumstances, then check out our subsequent videos in this series.